Hey YouTube, what's up y'all? I'm coming at y'all to show y'all that my hair came out pretty good. I just came from a baby's party and it looked kind of like it's old, but it came out pretty good for the other part. This is my makeup. It's a gold smoky eye makeup. I can see. I had my makeup on all day, so and I've been sweating because it was a baby's party. So yeah, this is my last video until Friday the 28th when or Saturday when I install my Bobbi Boss Indie Remy in my hair. So yeah. That being said, that's it, YouTube. This is the Bobbi Boss Indie Remy Natural Yaki. And anyways, guys.